In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the speed of a GIF using Canva. Whether you want to create a fast-paced clip or slow things down for emphasis, tweaking the speed of your GIF can make a big difference in how your project is presented. Let's dive right into it. First of all, you'll need to navigate to your Canva project. Open up Canva and select the project that contains the GIF you want to work with. Canva is a powerful and user-friendly design tool, so you can easily find your project by looking through your recent files or using the search bar to find it by name. Once you've located your project, click to open it up. Next, let's move on to downloading the GIF. At the top right of your screen, you'll see a Share button. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select Download. Under the file type options, choose MP4 video. Even though your aim is to work with a GIF, selecting the MP4 format is important because it allows more flexible editing options. Click Download and your file will save to your device. Once the download is complete, go ahead and upload it back into your Canva project. This may seem like an additional step, but it's crucial for the adjustments you want to make. After you've re-uploaded the MP4 file, go ahead and click on it. Once selected, look towards the upper middle of your screen. You'll find that a series of editing options appear, one of which is the speed adjustment feature. Here, you can play around with different speed settings until you find one that suits your project. Generally, you can speed up the GIF to increase energy and excitement or slow it down to draw attention to specific details. Take your time experimenting with these settings to get the perfect speed for your needs. And just like that, you're done. Congratulations, you've successfully adjusted the speed of your GIF using Canva. Remember, this is a powerful way to add flair and focus to your projects. Whether you're putting together a promotional video, a personal presentation, or just having fun with your designs, understanding how to manipulate GIF speeds can greatly enhance how your audience perceives your work. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and clear. Make sure to explore Canva further, as it offers countless features that could add even more polish to your designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.